Local, in-depth, Cairo 7 News at noon starts now.
There's growing concern at Bloodworks Northwest that the surge of COVID-19 cases is leading to a drop in blood donations. Bloodworks has seen more than 1,000 donation appointments canceled in a week. Cairo 7's Ranji Sinha talked with the group, which is hoping to see more donors soon.
The blood supply, the cancellations, a lack of donors get worse in September than it was during the summer. So is it directly related to COVID? I'm not sure.
Officials at Bloodworks Northwest are hoping this past week with some empty donor stations won't become a trend. The group says in Washington and Oregon, typo blood inventory is down 40% in just 1 week, while other blood materials are at critical levels.
Even if 5,000 people came, we just couldn't do that. So it does take time.
Even though Kaylee Azumaya is donating today, she's a bit of an exception.
I have no problems giving blood, so that is something that I should do. It's easy.
This past week, Bloodworks Northwest saw 1,500 appointments canceled, and it could take weeks to get supplies back up.
I know that some people are afraid of it, but it really, in terms of things that have hurt me in my past, like, it's really not more than a pinch.
If you go to make an appointment and you can find an appointment for today or tomorrow or Sunday at the location next to you, don't go, see, they don't need me. That's not true. We do need you.
A briefing happened earlier this week with hospitals talking about the impact from COVID-19. Staffing has been an issue, and some routine surgeries and procedures have been canceled due to crowded hospitals. In eastern Washington, patients are coming from Idaho due to a lack of ICU beds there. It even prompted Washington's Governor Jay Inslee to urge Idaho to implement precautions.
We certainly need our friends in Idaho government to do more to preserve their citizens' health.
Some hospitals may have delayed non-emergency surgery here in Washington, but Bloodworks says demand for blood is higher even with the Delta variant surge. There are 2,000 open appointments in the next 2 weeks, and Vicki Finson hopes they're filled sooner rather than later.
The first 6 months of this year were the highest transfusion rates in over 5 years. My belief is we will see a huge increase in need for blood when this surge is over, and we are not prepared for that.
In Seattle, Ranji Sinha, Cairo 7 News.